Hi, and welcome to this episode of On the Money. First up, let's talk about a popular new strategy involving self-managed super funds. Recent changes in the lending rules allow these funds to borrow to buy property under certain arrangements. For example, your fund could purchase the business premises you operate from and then lease it back to your business, better utilising your super. There are numerous rules and restrictions involved, so make sure you receive professional advice before proceeding. Here's a question we're asked often. I've just come into some money. My husband wants to pay it off our home loan, but I'd like to invest it in shares. What's more tax effective? If you think the market will rise, you might be better off putting the lump sum into your mortgage and then borrowing the same amount to invest in shares. You see, interest on an investment loan is tax deductible, whereas interest on your home mortgage isn't. If you find yourself in this situation, make sure you seek specific advice before deciding. It could save you a fortune. If you intend to claim work-related expenses that total more than $300 in a given financial year, the ATO requires you to retain all receipts for these purchases. If the total is $300 or less, no receipts are required. With the new year here, why not follow up on your resolutions and put in place a detailed financial plan for 2014? There's still plenty of time before the end of the financial year to get your taxes in order. Plus, the new year is the perfect time to set your financial goals for 2014. Of course, if you need professional input, we're here to help. Did you know there are currently billions of dollars of unclaimed superannuation laying dormant? Some of it could be yours. Super Seeker is the website created by the ATO to check your current super accounts, seek out lost super, and transfer it into the super account of your choosing. Log on now and see if you have a pleasant surprise waiting for you. If the mid-year economic and fiscal outlook is anything to go by, 2014 might be the year for tightening the purse strings. The national debt is forecasted at $47 billion this year, and while some cuts were outlined by Treasurer Joe Hockey, there are likely to be more on the horizon come budget time. If you're concerned about how these might affect you or your business, take action now. With the silly season over, you might be counting the cost of parties and client functions from last year. If you're not sure how much of your expenditure is tax deductible, it's worth speaking with us. There can be question marks surrounding some areas, especially gifts. To avoid nasty surprises come tax time, get clarification today, and remember, keeping accurate records is paramount. That's all for this episode of On the Money. If you'd like further information about these or other accounting issues, we'd welcome your call or email.